Today, I'll be talking to you about connectivity again. This video's focus will be on powering your connectivity. Your map may have connections going on that you can trace, but that doesn't always mean that the features are actually being powered on the map, just that the connections exist and are working. To check and see if a feature is being powered or not, select it, and then find the Network Connections button under the OpenPoint tab's Connectivity section. Here on the right, you'll be able to see what the feature connects to, but you'll also be able to see here that it says that it is not powered. Obviously, we are going to want to power this, but to do that, we need to find the feature meant to be the source of power for this set of features. To find what that is, I'm going to keep this feature selected and choose the Trace Up option, also under the Connectivity tab. This will trace and select features that connect from the source down to this feature. So, let's follow our trace. And here's where it leads. Let's click on this last feature and see what it is. Looks like we've got a switchgear here that is meant to be a power source. However, now that we've found it, we'll have to figure out why it isn't powering anything. I can think of a few reasons for this. First, we need to check the circuit. Is the circuit set correctly so that it matches the wires? I'll use Shift and select this wire here to compare the circuits. Both the same. Looks like the circuit isn't the issue. Then, lifecycle status. A feature needs to be in service for it to be able to provide power. But it looks like this feature is also set correctly there. Well, the last thing we can check is if the feature is set to is source. Something of note is only a device or station feature can be set to is source. We can scroll down in the attributes and aha, here we are. There's our problem. Looks like it's set to no. That could have been an accident or automatically set to that when it was created. All we have to do is click on it and change it to yes, and then hit apply. Now that's all set up. The last thing we need to do is save our edits and update connectivity. With that done, let's check this wire's connectivity one more time. There we go. Looks like it's powered. Good to go. Make sure to check out our other videos on connectivity if you haven't yet. We deal with some other common issues that could also be impeding connectivity or power